Guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel Fit and Fine, the complete fitness. Fit आणि healthy लोकांना माझा नमस्कार.
Hello friends, today we'll see another asana that we called as a Virabhadrasana, that is also called as a warrior pose. So we'll see step by step its benefits and how to perform. Basically, this asana is considered to be one of the most graceful posture in yoga, and it adds a whole lot of beauty to the workout. Stand erect and spread your legs about 3 to 4 feet apart. Your right foot should be in front of the left foot behind. Now turn your right foot outward by 90 degree and then left by 15 degree, making sure the heel of the right foot is perfectly aligned with center of left foot. Your arm must be parallel to the ground and your palm should be facing upward. Exhale and bend your right knee. Now turn your gaze to your right. As you move into this pose, stretch your arms further and join your palms above your head. Gently push your pelvis down. Hold the pose with same determination as like a warrior and wear a smile on your face. Breathe normally and keep going down. Inhale and come up. Exhale and gently bring your hands down from the sides. Repeat this pose on the left side with your left leg in front and right one at the back. The benefits we'll discuss for this asana. This asana helps to strengthen and tone our lower back, arms and legs. It helps to stabilize and balance the body as it increases its stamina. It is also a great asana for those with desk or sedentary jobs. It stimulates the metabolism as well as restore the spine. This asana helps ease out frozen shoulder. It also helps to release the stress from the shoulder almost immediately. This asana relax your mind and body, spreading the notion of peace, courage, grace, and some precaution we need to take care that those who are having high blood pressure, they should not perform this asana. It is important that to consult your doctor before you practice this asana, especially those who are having spinal cord problem. They should not perform this asana. If you are having any kind of shoulder pain, raise your arms and leave them parallel to each other instead of holding them above your head. Those who are having neck problem, they should not look up your hand after stretching. Thank you.